BM English Speaking Radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You're listening to episode number 31 of season 3. Today's word is bestow. It means to invest your trust in someone or to honor someone. It also means to give time or effort to someone or something. With BM English Speaking Radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word bestow. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Bestow is spelled as B-E-S-T-O-W. Vivek had just completed his college and was looking for a job. After 4 months of unsuccessful job hunting, which means searching for a job, he decided to launch his startup. His initial investment was really low. In order to operate his company, he had bestowed his trust in his friends Mukesh and Tapan. They helped him with the administration and marketing work. Eventually, they began making profits and their venture was successful. Thus, the trust that Vivek had invested or bestowed in his friends helped him in establishing a successful startup. Listen carefully how we can use the word bestow in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The Prime Minister of a country had visited a neighboring country to discuss a peace treaty. The host country's Prime Minister bestowed the visiting Prime Minister with their trust and hospitality. Example number 2 of 8. An army officer in one day saved the lives of 100 people. The government bestowed him with an award for his act of bravery. Moving on to example number 3. Example number 3 of 8. Matt would spend most of his time in chatting over the phone rather than paying attention to his office work. At this, his boss told him that he should bestow more time to work, which will positively impact his career. Don't you think Matt's boss was pragmatic? Example number 4 of 8. A family was visiting Mumbai for the first time and they had booked a popular tourist ride for a day. They had bestowed their trust in the tourist guide who accompanied them throughout and furnished them with the history of the city. Do you know that over 3 lakh professionals, students and homemakers have learned to speak English fluently and confidently at BM English Speaking Institute? Log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com for more information. Example number 5 of 8. The team that was expected to lose won on the last ball during the cricket finals. Now you will ask me, how is that possible? And I will say that the batsman hit a 6 on the last ball and made his team win by 4 runs. All the cricket fans of the winning team were relieved as the trust that they had bestowed in their favorite team had paid off. Let's move to the next example. Example number 6 of 8. The new government worked hard for the infrastructure development and this helped in the economic growth of the country. Most of the people were happy as they felt that the taxes have been bestowed for the progress of the country. Example number 7 of 8. The latest cookbook has bestowed the internet and technology to be able to spread culinary ideas and creativity pertaining to or related to food across the globe. Example number 8 of 8. Tushar wanted to learn how to play a guitar but was unable to spare time for learning it due to his college projects. Once he completed his college and took up a job, he bestowed an hour every week to learn guitar. And guess what? He plays it really well. Today we learn the word bestow, which means to invest your trust in someone or to honor someone. It also means to give time or effort to someone or something. Can you frame 3 sentences with bestow and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 31 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Take care.